Oh.
All the way up. All the way up. Let's check your neck range here. So I'm gonna have you look to the left all the way. A little tight there for sure. And go right all the way. That's what they call buff lats. They won't let them go. All right, bring that back down. And then just do the right side up.
Tim. I can already feel my body coming apart right now. Oh, wow. Wow. Golly.
Oh. Drop your left shoulder down. Beautiful.
There's not a lot of crime here either.
No. Not like Albuquerque. What I want you to do is go in and out like that. I'm gonna hook inside right there. Good. Excellent, good. Okay. How's that?
Oh, man.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Man, I had labrum surgery on this thing, and I have never been able to get it past.
It's like that, yeah.
Since you had it done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it's just right here. All right, raise it again. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can kind of see the limitation is down here.
There's spot.
Yeah.
You're like, whoa.
Well, risking my life here.
They give you the elbow.
Yeah. Back down again.
Oh,
Yeah, one more time back up. Just like doing good there.
Yeah. I can feel the joint.
Good. There we go. Is the right side now? Let's see where that one's at.
Wow, that is a huge difference.
I might have to call him out, call right back out.
A little bit more.
Man, you're a big guy.
That's right. Was we getting him?
No, I've seen you with a lot of people.
Okay. Pull that
It's like
on.
with John way back.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of different people.
Perfect. So you can finish it off now. There it is.
Wow.
Man.
There it is. Pull his arms a little tighter. This one's gonna go here.
Oh.
Push your head straight back. Good. Turn your head all the way to the left now. Keep going left. Get the big hammer. Keep going left. Yeah, I need the bigger hammer.
Mullet on you.
Keep going left.
Then you can bang it
Go
frog.
left. Keep going. A little more. Good.
You know what I mean.
Keep going.
I have one of those in the garage. I can
Right.
use on him.
Keep going right. All the way up. All the way up. Good. Hand right there. Keep going up. A little further. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Those traps are just in the way. All right, raise this leg as high as you can. Oof. And then right side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Raise that leg again. Good. Back down. Yeah, and right side. Like your waist is super narrow, so you're just putting a lot of force through your pelvis. A nice V taper, but it also puts a lot of strain on the hips, especially at your weight. Okay. The foam.
Yeah.
And push. And relax. Good. All right. Yeah. Right again. Yeah. This whole pelvis is twisted to the left. Okay. Yeah. And right side. That feel more even?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so then you start wearing out one side of your knee. Yeah. Pretty even. Good. Forward. And back. Good. Alright, try that squat again. You put the weight further back on the right heel now, right?
Yeah. Oh, that even go. Yeah.
Right. So you got all that muscle built, it's like you gotta show it again.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
great for him. Wow.
Yeah.
I rolled around with a lot of different guys, and I feel comfortable with my wrestling against a lot of jiu-jitsu. There's levels to everything.
Safe.
Well, I think I kind of college and then 211 at the Olympic
Okay.
Training Center. So I was, and then when I was little in high school, I started out 112.
Oh, really?
Oh.
So he left. Lean away. I know you're happy to see me, but you gotta get away from me. Get away, run away. Mentally, like counterintuitive. Alright, see how that alignment feels. This is your pattern up here, right? So when I go here, it's not too bad. When I go over here, not too bad. When I go there, that's more tender. If you can keep those balanced, you won't be out of, you don't have to get aligned, you won't have to get adjusted. That's gotta stay loose, that's gotta stay loose.
Perfect.